180 grams of Einkorn wheat berries. And of course, guys, you are going to preheat that oven to 350. Now I'm putting these in a coffee grinder. Einkorn seems to work well in a coffee grinder, but not all the wheat berries do. The other day I did hard white wheat or hard red wheat berries, and they didn't want to go through my little coffee grinder. So I'm waiting on a mock mill, and one will come in March for us. So we're doing half a teaspoon of salt while I'm waiting for our flour to grind. There must be some left in the grinder yet because this isn't all what I put in there. I'm looking for 180 grams of flour out of my 180 grams of wheat berries. That's why recently I've always liked cooking in grams, but with when you have grinding wheat berries, it makes a lot more sense. I have my coffee grinder on the finest setting. Now I'm putting 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're adding a whole tablespoon of poppy seeds. Zest of 1 lemon. Two large eggs. One third or 120 grams of yogurt or sour cream. This is sour cream. Okay, 1/3 cup or 80 grams of maple syrup or honey. preparing the lemon for some lemon squeezing. I did 30 grams of lemon juice in this. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons, but I thought it needed a little more, so I went to 30 grams on that, and the recipe turned out fine. This is a pretty small lemon. I'm having trouble getting it all in there. One-fourth cup of butter, melted and then cooled a little bit. Let me see how many grams that is, just in case you guys need that. That would be 60 grams of butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and of course I always go a little generous on that. Now you see me put in 40 minutes here, but I actually don't cook them for 40 minutes. I think it was only 20 minutes. I realized after I put that in there, oh, these are muffins. They're going to cook at a shorter time. So this is about 1/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice that I'm just going to dribble over the top. You guys can actually maybe add like 1/2 cup of powdered sugar and a little more lemon juice than that. It turned out good, but it wasn't enough. I had to make some more. Last time I made this, I made it into a loaf. The recipe is actually from a loaf, and I tweaked it a little bit, and this is one of my tweaks, is adding just a little bit of glaze on top, just with a little bit of extra lemon. Really wanted that lemon to come out, and that's why I added a little more lemon inside of the recipe as well. I'm always tweaking and working with my recipes.